One at a time. Biggest to old, youngest to oldest. I mean. There goes Justin.
Oh, Raphael!
Let me see. Let me see, Justin.
Go, Jessica. Your turn. Go, Jessica.
Raphael.
Your turn. This is mine. All mine. All mine. Raphael! We don't get Raphael back. All mine. What's this from you? She got Legos. Hey.
The Lego girl.
Go, John. Leonardo. I got it. And my turn. Leonardo.
That's what you wanted?
Yeah.
What a coincidence.
There. It's just.
Okay, Jay.
What kind do you got? Yes! Splinter! Cool, Splinter, let me see him. Oh,
You already get her.
Hold on.
Shredder. Oh.
Hold on. Open another present, bud.
Yeah, want me to open that guy? I'm opening all my Ninja Turtles.
Don't open them yet, Josh.
I know. Don't open all of them yet.
What is Justin opening? Justin's opening something. What is it, Justin?
Bingo!
A bingo flashcards. What?
Go, Jessica.
All right. Thank you, Mom.
All right. 9 opens.
What is it?
9 opens something. There goes Jess. Watch out, Jay. Jay, watch out.
Jessica.
Jay, watch out.
I got Shredder.
Look at that face. She's going at it. What is it, Jess? Jay, let her do it so I can see. What is it? You guys got to stay out of the way. Hold up to...
He already opened 2 of his. He got a Splinter too. I mean Shredder too. Here I go. He already opened one.
Thanks, Josh.
A remote control car. Yeah, buddy. Oh, cool.
Hey, look at that.
All
Boy,
right.
holy moly, and don't forget
Now do I get you? Let's just start opening the I got Splinter too. Yeah.
Did you come across a game, Jay?
I came across. I got Splinter, Jay. I got Jay. We guys. Justin got Splinter. Josh got Shredder. I got Foot Soldier.
Oh, my God.
Oh, my goodness. You guys got more great things, you know. I wish I had a foot soldier.
Are those for you?
Yeah, I got Michelangelo. Check it out. I got Michelangelo. Look,
Jessica, why don't you wear that?
I got Michelangelo.
That's what it is.
I got the clock. I got Legos.
Oh, I think that's what you and
Ooh,
Justin
I
are
got
supposed to
you.
trade.
Who's got the slipper?
Thanks, Mom.
that is
Thank you for the slippers, Mom.
I got a card game.
All right.
That's...
Open your.
Oh, Grandma, you're so beautiful this morning. Oh.
Your other thing, Josh. Let's get cool, dude.
Will they take it to the dark month?
What's that? Disneyland Grand set. Play set.
Here's a picture of all the toys.
Oh, look at
Okay.
Michelangelo. You got Raphael, Justin.
Look, they're all tearing apart their presents.
I got a Foot Soldier. I got
Does she still have it, Mom?
Shredder, Splinter. Now we all got the same Ninja Turtle kind of.
The heck of
Yeah,
you.
Jay don't open that. He don't open that gold box because he knows what's in
Yeah,
it.
me and Josh both got that laser tag thing so we can play together.
Wow.
It's kind of a laser tag
Now,
thing.
what is, oh,
It's kind of
What is it, Grandpa?
Timex, it's a watch.
To watch.
You better
It's a
believe it.
beautiful watch.
Look at that. Look at that. Isn't that nice?
Yeah, I
that's
got a
beauty, ain't it?
rechargeable
Oh,
battery.
it's all fuzzy. I ain't getting it in clear. There, that's good.
Those are all the batteries.
Right, beautiful watch. This is a pretty watch.
Wow, that's a beauty.
All right. Cap.
Don't take me.
Oh, don't take me.
Not having